If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on basic level coordinate geometry. I will be starting circles. So today we will see standard form and general form, two forms of circle. Okay, then let's discuss this. Okay student, if we start with the circle for basic level, so we will start with standard equation. What is standard form of a circle? If I want to say use circle, then how you will draw a circle? If I want to say you draw a circle or construct a circle using some pen, paper, thread or anything. So you will take a point, you will take a thread, fixed radius, then you will rotate it, and this way you will take a thread of this fashion, you connect the thread and you rotate it, then it will become a circle. So this is a circle which has a center and which has a unique radius. Each circle has its own radius. Okay, so if the circle equation, let the circle coordinate is h comma k because it is in coordinate axis. Suppose this is x axis, this is y axis. So this is hk coordinate and this is the radius r. So I told you what is equation. Equation nothing but the locus of point which satisfies the given condition. What is the given condition for the circle? It has to maintain a distance of r unit from the center. That is the condition of circle. If one point, if I connect all the points that are at a distance of r from the point h comma k, that will represent me a circle. So if I collect all these points, so it will represent a circle. So this is the condition. So I have to find the locus of all points P which are at a distance of this. That is known as concept of locus, continuing satisfying the given condition. The given condition is the distance is, this is the given condition. The distance should be equal to r, the PC should be equal to r. So you can say this PC should be equal to r. So what is PC? PC is different distance between 2 points. We have seen it is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square under root. That should be equal to r, which is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, which is known as standard equation of a circle whose center is hk and radius is r. So that means if you have a center 0 0, if you want to have a circle at 0 0, then in place of h you will put 0, in place of k you will put 0. So it will be x square plus y square equal to r. So it is a circle with center as a origin, with origin as a center. Now if the circle is suppose radius is 1 and it is centered as 1, radius is 1 and centered at 0 0 at origin, then what will be its equation? X square plus y square, because hk is 0 0 and your radius is 1. So x square plus y square plus 1 is a unit circle, circle of unit radius whose origin is also, whose center is also at origin. Okay, so this is all about your standard form. That is standard form. We have learned this is your standard form. So if we go to next general form. What is general form? General form of a circle, if you say, suppose I have a circle, I have taken an example, suppose I have a circle with center 2 comma 2 and its radius is 1, suppose, and this is my center. So what will be its equation? Till now what we have learned, it is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 1. This is the equation of the circle. If you open it, it will look like this: x square plus y square minus 4x a minus b whole square. If you open it, it will look like this. So general equation is given as this format. This is the format through which you represent a general equation of a circle. You see x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. You can find some symmetry about second order general equation that we have learned in pair of straight line. We will explain it in detail after some time. So first, now you see if this is the type of function, then we say this is known as general form. So you have to remember this form: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So if the circle is given in this format, then you have to find radius and center. So every time you have to do it perfect square and you have to calculate using that method. But to simplify that one, we have calculated formula from here itself. From this equation, by seeing this equation, you can also say the center and radius. How? So it is just the way you go back calculation, that is making it perfect square. So we are making it perfect square. So for 2gx I am putting 1gs square, 2fy I am putting 1f square, 1g square f square, that's why extra, that's why I put it as a minus. This is minus, not plus. So if you do it, it is x plus g whole square, y plus f whole square is equal to this. So it is, if you make it as a standard format, x minus h, so you can write it x minus minus g because it is plus, y minus minus f. So you compare with your standard equation, you compare with this equation. So what is your center? Center will be equal to minus j minus f. Say in place of hk it is minus j minus f. So the center of this circle, if this format is given, you can directly write. And radius, this side is radius, you can see it is r square. So r is under root g square plus f square minus c. So by seeing this general form, you can directly write your center and radius. Okay. Now if you see this one, this radius g square plus f square minus c, if your radius is greater than 0, then it is okay, it is real circle. If it is equal to 0, then it is a point circle. Point circle means the concept is radius is 0. This concept you will find in later stage also in advanced and intermediate level. Point circle means it is a circle. This point is also a circle with center at that point 2, 2, but its radius is 0. So we will write it x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So physically how will you represent? We will consider, you zoom it, then you will find a circle. Circle you will find it, but its radius is 0. So that's why it is known as point circle. Very negligible resistance, no resistance, just a point. So it is also a circle, but its radius is 0. We say negligible resistance. This concept we will see with 0 radius. And if it is less than 0, that means radius is negative, which means you have a circle with imaginary circle whose radius is I. So that means you have an imaginary circle. That will also represent a circle, but it will be imaginary circle. So this is all about your general form. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.